Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo N53, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's tap on the version and keep tapping on the build number until you see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about them. Now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. Let's tap on the developer options, and here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates. Simply tap on the switcher, and from now on this option is active, so your device will be allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device, but remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to apply the update. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.